Let's break down the filing fees for the EB2 NIW green card petition. For those who are applying within the United States, it is essential to understand this cost upfront to budget properly. Let's take a look at each of the form and its associated fees. Now, these fees, the current fees, meaning effective 1st April 2024, there has been changes in the fees, and these fees reflect that. First is Form I-140, which is the Immigrant Petition for Alien Worker. This form is crucial as it is used to petition for an employment-based immigrant visa. The regular processing fee for Form I-140 is $715. And until recently, there has been an additional fee of $300, which is the asylum program fee, added on top of the regular processing fee of the $715. Meaning, if you go the regular route, you have to pay $715 plus the asylum program fee of $300. If you want to expedite the process of your I-140, you can opt for premium processing. The fee for premium processing is $2,805, and I highly encourage anybody I consult with to go the route of premium processing as it helps you with a faster decision. Next is Form I-485. This form is the application to register permanent residence or adjust status, and this form is used if you are adjusting your status from within the United States, meaning if you are going the consular processing route, you don't have to use Form I-485, and the fee associated is $1,440. For dependents under the age of 14 filing concurrently with a parent, the fee for Form I-485 is reduced to $950, and this helps families manage the cost of applying together. If you are in the US, as I already mentioned, you may also apply for an employment authorization document, also known as EAD, by filing Form I-765. This allows you to work in the US while your application is being processed, and the fee associated with this form is $260. Another optional form is the Form 131, which is also known as the advanced parole or the travel document. This form allows you to apply for a travel card, enabling you to re-enter the US after traveling abroad while your application is pending. And I always encourage people, if there is no need to travel outside of the US whilst your application is pending, please do not, and you will save yourself $630. A medical exams is also required for the adjustment of status process. The cost of medical exams in the US can range from anywhere between $75 to $500, depending on the provider and your location. If your documents are not in English, you will need to have them translated, and the cost of translation and even like taking photos and mailings can range from anywhere between $100 to $500. Lastly, if you choose to hire an immigration attorney, the fees can vary significantly. For Form I-140, attorney fees can range from $6,000 to $10,000. For Form I-485, the average attorney fee for the principal applicant, meaning the main applicant, is around $2,000. So that means if you are filing as a family, you will pay for each person you add to the application. Let's take a look at the financial commitment of anyone applying outside of the United States.